In this video I will make sure that your unwanted Instagram account is permanently removed or deleted. Now open Instagram app and click on the right down corner on Personal Account. Click on 3 dots and then Settings. Now here are logout options, but delete button is not available. So click Help button. Choose Help Center and open it with help of Google. Click on Manage your account for further proceedings from Help menu. A lot of options are available for account maintenance. It is difficult to find ours. So we will click on search box and search, delete your account. Here are 3 options telling how can we temporarily or permanently delete our account. Choose second option. Scroll down and click on Delete your account in blue.
And open it with Instagram.
If you have multiple accounts, choose Switch account. Log in to that Instagram account you want to delete.
Choose the reason you want to delete your account, or you can choose any one of them. Re-enter your password for proceeding. Finally, click on Delete Account button. OK. Once your Instagram account is deleted, you will get this notification. Once your Instagram account is deleted, you will get this notification.
Reopen Instagram app and you will find yourself in your another account if you have any. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe for more.